Okay, next video where I will show you how to cut the shaft. In your case, when you cut it, you will have them level because you will cut them simultaneously. So you will have them at one level. I have a system here. So I have a key here and slots here, so that when you put it here, you can insert, push the whole column, and it will connect with no backlash, very tight. And also you don't have to be very precise because you have a plenty of space here, so plus minus 1, 2, 3 millimeters, doesn't matter. So you will need to make this shaft shorter than this column by this distance, and this distance is 81 millimeters. When you get the unit, measure it yourself to be sure. I measured it and it's 81 millimeters. So you have to disassemble this column, take off the elbow element. I will show you how to do it in the next video. Just take off 4 screws and take it off. So see you in the next video.